This speaks of a time when the acts and judgment of God will be shown against evil and wickedness. Yes, it will grab the attention of men because they won't be able to ignore the power of God. Notice, the wicked will only be in awe and think about it, but the righteous will rejoice at witnessing the punishment that the Lord administer upon evil. This is a vindication for honoring the Lord and enduring the cruelty of unrighteousness. It will be a confirmation that trust in God has benefits. The word says, "Be not overcome with evil, but overcome evil with good." Let the Lord plot revenge against your enemies, then trust Him to fulfill His plans.
Follow us for the daily powerful word, prayer, and inspiration for your walk with God.